Imagine this, you're starting an online store. You've got the perfect product idea, a sleek website, and a burning desire to succeed. But there's one major hurdle: sourcing products. You need a reliable supplier who can provide quality items at competitive prices. That's where Spocket comes in. But here's the million-dollar question: can you use Spocket for free? Let's dive in and find out. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly understand what Spocket is. It's a dropshipping platform that connects you with suppliers worldwide. This means you can sell products without holding any inventory. Spocket handles the storage, shipping, and customer service, so you can focus on marketing and growing your business. The free trial. So, can you use Spocket for free? Well, not entirely. But there's a catch. Spocket offers a free trial that allows you to test the platform and its features before committing. This trial period is a great opportunity to explore the supplier directory, import products, and even place a few test orders. What's included in the free trial? During your free trial, you'll have access to a limited number of features. You can browse and search for products from various suppliers, import products into your online store, create and manage product listings, place test orders to assess the quality and shipping times. Limitations of the free trial. While the free trial is a valuable tool, it does have some limitations. You won't be able to access all of Spocket's premium features, such as branded invoices and shipping label discounts. Place live orders for sale. Enjoy the full range of customer support options. Is the free trial worth it? If you're just starting out and want to explore the dropshipping world without any financial risk, the Spocket free trial is definitely worth considering. It's a great way to familiarize yourself with the platform, test its capabilities, and decide if it's the right fit for your business. Beyond the free trial. Once your free trial ends, you'll need to choose a paid plan to continue using Spocket. The pricing varies depending on your monthly sales volume and the features you need. To answer the question, can you use Spocket for free? The short answer is yes, but only for a limited time. The free trial is a fantastic opportunity to explore the platform and see if it's the right solution for your dropshipping business. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, happy dropshipping.